And we have been reminded every 10 minutes, and yes, we've seen some of you already putting up the Christmas lights. And if you aren't doing it yourself, maybe you're hiring somebody to do it for you. While it's less stress, it can also up the risk to you, the homeowner, if somebody gets hurt. ABC 15's Mike Pelton in Tempe tonight with what you should look out for.
Okay, so we're still a ways away from Christmas, yet it's a conversation you might be having. You want good-looking lights like this, but you don't want to get up there. So you hire someone to do all of this for you, but do you know who's getting up on your roof?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
In Bill Judge's Tempe neighborhood, hanging Christmas lights isn't required technically.
If you don't have lights on your house in this neighborhood, you're going to be conspicuous by not having them.
Bill hired help. In order to keep up with the Joneses, it also keeps him off the roof.
I've been on the roof because we have to get leaves off it, but it's not comfortable.
I had another guy, he was wrapping a palm tree. He fell and crushed his feet.
Jonathan Johansson tells me he has a lot of clients. He runs Stay Off the Roof. His crew puts up and takes down lights. While he says he hasn't had a serious accident, he is prepared if an employee gets hurt at your home.
I get higher premium, but that's it. It all goes through our workman's comp. They get taken care of and the homeowner's worry-free.
But is that always the case? You see the signs and solicitations on social media, people offering to hang your lights. The Arizona Insurance Institute says a homeowner could be on the hook for medical bills if the service provider doesn't assume liability. They recommend going with a pro with a service agreement, ask about a liability waiver, and go with someone who is bonded and insured.
Avoiding the liability is an important aspect.
And Bill says hiring help for his home makes the perfect holiday in a neighborhood where you can't skip the celebration.
At this house at the end of the block, and yeah, I'd get a lot of pressure from the neighbors. No one would say anything, but it would be noticed.
Now, as for this company, the cost to install the lights varies, but Jonathan tells me, generally speaking, there's a $400 minimum. In Tempe tonight, Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.
All right, Mike.